Cancer is a collective term for over 100 different diseases. It can develop itself practically everywhere in the body. Cells are the primary building blocks of the human body. Cells usually die when they get too old or damaged. After that, new cells replace them. Cancer develops when genetic mutations disrupt this regular process. Cells begin to proliferate uncontrollably. These cells can combine to create a growth known as a tumor. A tumor might be malignant or benign. A cancerous tumor is malignant, which means it may develop and spread to other regions of the body, such as the lungs, intestines, and prostate. A benign tumor can develop but does not spread. Cancer is one of the world's major causes of death. Cancer accounts for nearly 1 in every 6 deaths in 2020, according to the World Health Organization trusted source. Every day, experts work tirelessly to evaluate novel cancer therapies. But according to research, eating largely plant-based foods like whole grains, vegetables, fruits, herbs, and legumes can help avoid cancer and live a better life. Plant-based meals are abundant in fibers, minerals, and phytochemicals, or natural compounds that may help prevent cancer, so they're a good choice. Now, let's discuss the 3 incredible anti-cancer plant edibles everyone must take. If you want to make sure to notice an amazing ingredient that not only has anti-cancer properties, but also makes your skin brighten, clear, even-toned, and leaves you with clearer skin, make sure to watch till the end. So let's get started. Anticancer fruits. Eating a variety of fruits on a daily basis can provide several health advantages, including a lower risk of cancer. Fruits are an important and very tasty part of a healthy plant-based diet. They help fight inflammation, and chronic inflammation is a precursor to cancer. The nutrients, vitamins, and phytochemicals in fruit can potentially stop carcinogens before they have a chance to develop cancer, and can block the formation of new blood vessels tumors required to grow. Fruit nutrients can also help boost the immune system and function as antioxidants. Apples. The universal fruit apple is affordable, accessible all year, and comes in an almost infinite variety. Apples are high in fiber and vitamin C, and they have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. They also include pectin, a fiber that the bacteria in your stomach may utilize to build substances that protect colon cells and protect your body from cancer. You should eat the apple peel, since it includes at least 1/3 of all these beneficial phytochemicals. Berries. Strawberries and raspberries contain ellagic acid, a phytochemical. This potent antioxidant offers the potential to combat cancer in several ways, including eliminating some cancer-causing chemicals and reducing the proliferation of cancer cells. In 2016, a small study gave freeze-dried black raspberries to patients with oral cancer and showed that it decreased levels of certain markers associated with cancer progression. In a 2011 trial, patients with early-stage cancer were given frozen dried strawberries for 6 months. After that time, half of them were disease-free, and their tumor markers had considerably decreased. Blueberries. Blueberries' powerful antioxidants may provide a wide range of benefits for human health, beginning with cancer prevention. Antioxidants may aid in the battle against cancer by clearing the body of free radicals before they cause harm to cells. To increase your consumption of these beneficial berries, try topping oatmeal, cold cereal, yogurt, or even salad with blueberries. Grapes and grape juice. Grapes and grape juice, particularly purple and red ones, contained resveratrol. Resveratrol possesses powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities. It prevents the kind of damage that can trigger the cancer process in cells. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as limes, lemons, grapefruits, and oranges contain phytochemicals and vitamins that function as antioxidants and help protect cells from harm, and have been linked to a decreased risk of cancer in certain studies. According to one big study, those who ate more citrus fruits had a decreased chance of acquiring tumors of the digestive, upper respiratory, and pancreatic tracts. An evaluation of 14 trials found that eating at least 3 servings of citrus fruit each week lowered the incidence of stomach cancer by 28%. Anticancer vegetables. Cabbage Family. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and kale are rich in nutrients including vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese. Sulforaphane, a plant chemical with anti-cancer effects, is also found in cruciferous vegetables. According to one research-trusted source, sulforaphane effectively suppresses cancer cell growth while stimulating cell death in colon cancer cells. Another study indicates that combining sulforaphane with genistein, a chemical found in soybeans, can greatly reduce breast cancer tumor formation and size. Sulforaphane also suppresses histone deacetylase, an enzyme linked to the development of cancer. One analysis of 35 studies showed that eating more cruciferous vegetables was associated with a lower risk of colorectal and colon cancer. Carrots. Carrots include a wide range of nutrients, including vitamin K, vitamin A, and antioxidants. Carrots are also strong in beta-carotene, which gives them their unique orange color. Beta-carotene is essential for immune system support and may help prevent some forms of cancer, such as breast and prostate cancer. A study found that eating more carrots reduces the incidence of stomach cancer by 26%. In one study, the diets of 1,266 people with and without lung cancer were examined. It was discovered that current smokers who did not consume carrots were 3 times more likely to develop lung cancer than those who consumed carrots at least once a week. Allium Veggies. Garlic is known as allium in Latin. However, several other vegetables in the allium family have been found to lower the rate of breast cancer. Vitamin C and antioxidants are abundant in allium vegetables. They also contain sulfurous elements that can help prevent blood clots and boost the immune system. In a 2016 study published in the Journal of Breast Cancer, researchers discovered that women who ate a lot of raw garlic and leeks had a lower risk of breast cancer. Allium vegetables include chives, garlic, leeks, onions, scallions, and shallots. Allium vegetables can be added to nearly any meal, like stir-fried dishes, soups, stews, chilies, and salad. Anti-cancer herbs and spices. Herbs and spices are frequently used in small amounts to flavor foods. However, these foods are abundant in vitamins, antioxidants, and fatty acids, which may help prevent cancer. Furthermore, they may be added to practically any meal to enhance its flavor and nutritional content. Turmeric. This orange-colored spice, which is commonly used in curries, includes curcumin, which may be beneficial in lowering cancer risk. According to the American Cancer Society, curcumin can suppress certain cancer cells, limit cancer spread, and reduce tumors. On your anti-cancer diet, you may incorporate it into a range of meals. One research looked at the impact of curcumin on 44 patients who had potentially malignant tumors in their colon. 4 grams of curcumin taken every day for 30 days decreased the number of lesions by 40%. Turmeric helps brighten skin and the appearance of uneven tone, leaving you with clearer skin, protecting against skin damage induced by persistent UVB exposure. Cinnamon. Cinnamon, a traditional spice that is often used in practically every home in tropical nations, has tremendous anti-cancer properties. Cinnamon as a whole and its active components have strong anti-cancer efficacy in a variety of cancers. Cinnamon is well known for its medicinal properties, including its ability to lower blood sugar and lower inflammation. According to one study, cinnamon essential oil inhibited the proliferation of head and neck cancer cells, while also drastically reducing tumor size. Other spices and herbs found to reduce the risk of cancer include black pepper, cayenne pepper, ginger, oregano, rosemary, parsley, and thyme. Remember, this video is for educational purposes. We are not giving you medical advice. You should always consult your doctor if you need any professional opinion. Did you find this video helpful? If yes, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to view more upcoming Create Cure content like this.